primary concern is safety. Federal Pacific panels have a history of safety issues. Replacing them is generally the safest option. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires a 36-inch workspace in front of electrical panels per 110.26. This ensures adequate space for qualified personnel to safely work on the panel. Inspectors are responsible for enforcing the NEC. It is unlikely an inspector would approve the new panel installation with less than 36 inches of workspace, especially knowing the safety concerns with Federal Pacific panels. There are several options to consider. Firstly, relocate the panel. The most code-compliant option would be panel relocation to a location where the 36-inch workspace can be provided. Secondly, remove the wall. If panel relocation is not feasible, remove the wall blocking the workspace. This may require structural modifications and could be expensive. Thirdly, document the limitation. Another option is to document the workspace limitation in the electrical inspection report. This may satisfy the inspector, but it doesn't eliminate the safety concerns associated with reduced workspace. Based on the safety concerns and likelihood of inspector approval, it is strongly recommended to replace the Federal Pacific panel and ensure the required workspace is provided. It is important to communicate the safety risks and code requirements to the homeowner clearly and honestly. Explain the reduced workspace poses a safety hazard and that the panel should be replaced for the safety of their home and family.